Hello, let's learn how you can link your Instagram account to your Facebook page so that whenever you post on Instagram, it can automatically be posted on your Facebook page as well. Let's see this, how to do it. Here I am on my Instagram account. You have to click on Edit Profile. Click on Edit Profile. Scroll a bit, you'll see Page, Connect or Create. Click on Page. Now here you'll see this pop-up which says connect or create a Facebook page. If you have not created a Facebook page, you can continue and create. If you already have created, you have to just simply connect, which is to claim your Facebook page. So let's continue. Continue. Now it will take access of your Facebook account. Continue. Now here you need to continue and see your page. So we go here and continue. And now you can check. Yes, add. So this is one account center. And now if you'll see, I can search for the page. Here you see, once I've connected it, now I have multiple pages here, so I can search for the page. Done. So first it will just link it to your Facebook profile and then it will ask you for the pages. So if you have multiple pages, you can go and select that page and then claim it. So whatever now you post on Instagram, you will get this option to directly share it to the same Facebook page. So you can simply share it from here as well. That's how you'll do it.